Hello guys, this is interview prep. Hello world this side. Today I will discuss the parallel courses problem. The description of the problem is given as there are n courses and courses are labeled from 1 to n, and we are given some relations. Relations I is equal to x comma y. That means like there is an edge from course x to course y. That means course x has to be studied before course y. Okay, so this is like directed edge actually. So in one semester you can study any number of courses as long as you have studied all the prerequisites for the course you are currently considering to be studied. So what we have to do here, return the minimum number of semester needed to study all the courses. If there is no way to study all the courses, return -1. So it is like we are given n courses and we have to complete prerequisites first, and then we have to take the course second. So first we will start picking the course that has no prerequisite, and the edges are given are directed actually. So it is like we have to find topological sorting order. This is more or less topological sorting problem. So the -1, if there is no way to study all the courses, so that is the case like when there is a cycle in directed graph actually. So we cannot find topological ordering in that case. So in that case we will return -1. So we will straight away jump into the code. So let's say we are given relations are like edges between two vertices. So we will create a adjacency list or map kind of thing from these relations, and we will also keep track of in degree of vertices. Means like uh, in degree means you can say like uh, this course has to be in degree 0 means this course has no prerequisite. In degree 1 means that course has one prerequisite course to be studied first. So we will keep track that into another array. So I will create an int in degree new int n, and we will also create an integer list of integer new hash map. Now we will traverse over this relation ad relations h0 int b equal to h1, and now the edge is between 1 to 3, so a to b. It's like there is an edge, so in degree of b should be incremented. In degree of b plus plus list integer list equal to get our default a to new array list. List dot add b put a list. We have created our graph. Now we implement topological ordering. So there should be a variable answer number of semesters actually. Let's name it option 0. Now we will take the courses which have no prerequisite. So I will create a queue. Okay, here the ordering is given as 1 3. So and our size of array is, here they are using 1 based indexing and we are using 0 based indexing. If it has no prerequisite, then we will take this course in our first semester. So we have to make this one. I one more variable count to count the number of courses that we have already taken. Okay, so I'll queue is empty. How many courses we have taken in this semester is size. So we have to add that courses into our count variable. And so we will decrement the count of n degree for all those courses for which the current course is prerequisite. So what we will do, like, we will get the list of all the courses for which this course is prerequisite. For all those courses we will decrement the n degree count. And if all the prerequisites has been taken, then we should take that course into the next semester. And once this semester completes, we will increment the number of semester count. And we will check if we have taken all the courses or not, else we will return -1. So this error I am getting here. So it is coming 3. What we have done? Okay, so we have to, and okay, let it be here. and just make it 0. Okay, now it should run. Yes, so hope you like this video and understood the concept. Thank you for your time.